Welcome to another opening of Pokemon packs. One of my favorite packs, Journey Together. Now we're opening this booster pack. Comes with 6. Why is it the best pack? The artwork has gotten better and better. It's clean artwork, nothing too much and nothing too little. Look at this art. Simple, lonely, staring in the breeze, playing in the mud, under the bush, running in the field, just shaking itself, alone, walking away, tears in its eyes, evolved but yet still alone. Garden Rocks. Wow, what a great set. It's like all the Pokemon tell a story. Let's try next one. Look at that. In the field alone. Playing under the laptop alone. Again, forest alone. Training alone. Evolved yet still alone. So powerful. Getting a redeemable ticket. Just there under the sea. Jousting. Look at this. What is this? Dunspark. Not even a pair of them. Just Dunspark. Nice. I can see there's a theme to this deck pack. All grown up on top of the mountain, achieving everything. Cooking. Walking in a splash of puddle. Training again. Ruffian. He's actually on top of a city, just like Batman. Look at that stride. Clink. Clunk. And there we go. Random bird. Peaceful day, just sitting there in the basket. Or the dragon from Once Upon a Time. An ant. Not even sure if this is a Pokemon, but there we go. A golem. Training. Ruffian. Trainer belt. Salazar EX. Cool. Yet still alone. Giant lizard alone. Pretty cool though. For a pack that's called Journey Together, it sure feels lonely. Look at that. Just smiling under the sea. In the forest alone. Same with this one. Doing drugs alone. Charging electricity alone. Jousting alone. Brock scouting girls alone. Graveler. Sheep. Cool. The artwork is so impressive though. Last pack. See any of this rare card. Look, Just simply there enjoying the trees. Or they're flying alone. Now look at this. A parsec. A palpitar. Brock. Wailard. Oh, wait, that wasn't the end card? This is the end card. So we have a Wailard. And there's 2 rares. Cool. Nice. Great artwork. Good set. 10 out of 10.